Good afternoon, everyone.
Good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So I'm
Good afternoon,
happy
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
that nine of you responded positively to this call, this afternoon's session. So, kumusta? Okay lang? Are you
Okay
Yes,
lang,
Okay
okay?
ma'am.
lang.
Okay lang.
Okay, very good. So now we will have, while waiting for the presentation.
Ma'am, hina yung tingog.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay na,
Kusog,
ma'am.
kusog na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nakita ninyo akong gi-share? Not
Yes,
yet.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Makita na siya?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so who would like to read? What is flashed?
Me, ma'am.
Okay, Kalibo.
With the aid of these pictures, what do you think is the title of the story?
Okay, so the following slides will be more on pictures. And then based from the pictures, I'd like you to guess the title of the story that we're going to tackle this afternoon. Okay, so here's the first pick. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Yes,
what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
ma'am.
that? What is that all about? What do you think is that picture all about?
All about Earth, ma'am.
Earth? Very good. Who is that? What's the name of the one who answered Earth? What's the name? Kasi
Me,
ngalan
ma'am.
natin. Francine. Okay, very good, Francine. How about this one?
About the nature, ma'am.
Okay, about the nature. Okay, who answered that one?
Ako gyapon, ma'am.
Francine. How about the others? I'd like uh, others to share about the next picture. That's the third picture. What do you think is the third picture? Anyone? Can you guess the third picture? Can you guess? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No. Can you describe what is in the picture?
Sun, ma'am.
Sun? Any other idea?
Lava.
Yeah. Lava? What else?
Power source, ma'am.
Hmm? Again?
Power source.
Power source. Okay, so you have different interpretations. Later on, you will know. How about the next picture?
Constellation.
Is that constellation? What else? How about the others?
Galaxy.
Galaxy. Is that Dabon? So, who's that boy? The only boy in this room, Mario. Okay, Mario. So, according to Mario, picture is all about galaxy, and that one is all about, what was that? That one?
Galaxy, ma'am.
Galaxy. Okay, how about the last picture?
About the planets?
Planet. So is that
Earth.
Me,
Earth?
ma'am.
Earth,
Ah,
ma'am.
so untalan, Earth. Who said Earth?
Me,
Me,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Valerie and Dabon. Okay. So, can you guess the title of the story based from the picture?
Making the Earth.
Making the Earth. What
Our
else?
world. Our
Our
world.
our world,
Universe.
universe. Okay, very good guess, but we will proceed to word war in order to help you in guessing the correct title of the story. You're almost there, actually. So this is now the first group of words. Can you form it into the correct one?
How,
Who?
ma'am?
Who? How? Okay, how? The next one.
The,
The
ma'am. The.
The. Okay, how the
World.
world.
world. Very good. How the world
Was.
Fall.
Was, ma'am.
True, ma'am.
was
Created.
created. Okay, so the answer is
How the world was
how
created.
the world was created by the Panayan version. So there are a lot of versions, but this time we will focus on the Panayan version. Are you familiar with the Panayan? This,
No, ma'am.
okay, so how about this picture? Are you familiar with them? With this kind of dressing that they are wearing? Can you say something about it? Are you familiar with them? Recalling your araling panlipunan, especially when you talk about different ethnic groups. Can you recall the different ethnic groups consisting the Philippines? Can you? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No,
No.
ma'am.
Okay, so as I've said earlier, we're going to focus on the story how the world was created by the Panayan version. So, are you familiar with um, again this type of picture?
Cultural, ma'am.
Cultural dance. How about this one? What is that all about? Do you have an idea?
All about our different culture, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, it talks or it portrays about the arrival of the Spaniards in the Philippines. So next picture, what is that all about?
Map, ma'am.
Map of what part?
Visayas.
Visayas. So, what are the different places portrayed in that map? Can you name them one by one? Mario.
Aklan, Capiz, Iloilo, Antique.
Okay, so there are four major locations in that particular map. So those are what we call, or those major locations consist the island of what's the name of the island?
Panay.
Panay. Panay
Okay,
Island.
very good. Panay Island.
Island.
So let's explore some of the beautiful scenic spots in that particular island. So this one, they have different kinds of or beautiful sceneries, beautiful spots, tourist spots, the lake, the ocean, beaches, and of course their province, somewhat like their uh, provincial capital. So same with our in our province of Lanao del Norte. So based on that, we will explore the story coming from this place. So what's the title again of the story?
How the world was created.
Again.
How the world
How
was.
the world was created.
Okay, so how the world was created. So the first, I want Storko to read the first part of the story. Skoro.
In the beginning, there was no heaven or earth.
Okay. Next, Valerie.
Record na? Oh, sige.
Valerie, are you there? Valerie. Dabwan.
Only a bottomless deep and a world of mess.
Mist. Again, Dabon.
Only a bottomless deep and a world of mess.
Mist. Dabon. What is what is a mist? Dabon. Are you still there, Dabon?
Ulap, ma'am?
Okay, so we'll see. This is now how it looks like. This is now the mist and this one. Okay, so in the beginning, there was no heaven or earth, only a bottomless deep and world of mist. So mist looks like this. The next one is Robles. Okay, Robles. Robles.
Ma'am,
Okay,
excuse
do
me,
the
ma'am.
honor. Yes.
Sorry, ma'am. Gitawag ko nimo ganina, ma'am.
Who's this one? That
Valerie,
one?
ma'am.
Oh, Valerie. Okay,
Sorry, ma'am. Wala ko
Valerie.
ka tubag, ma'am. Kay nihinay ang net, tas naglag.
Okay. So, is this clear to you, this slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you may now read that one.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Everything was shapeless and formless. The earth, the sky, the sea, and the air were almost all mixed up.
Okay, so that was the scenario of the first part of the story. So everything was shapeless and formless. And so there was two gods. What are the names of these two gods? Francine. I want Francine to identify or to name the two gods.
Kung langit,
And
alon,
Tungkong Langit and
tungkong langit and Alonsina, ma'am.
okay, very good. So there was Tungkong Langit and Alonsina. So in this picture, you will clearly see the two gods um, in the story. So what happened to the two of them? Are they married or not, or just merely or purely a friend? What happened to them? Um, Robles.
They got married and had their abode in the highest realm of the internal space.
The realm of the eternal space.
Space.
Okay, very good. So they were married actually. And what happened to that place? Kalibo.
In that place, the water was constantly warm and the breeze was forever cool.
Okay, so meaning the place was very friendly, light, and happy to live with. Okay, they were both happy. They were both enjoying each other. So these this is the picture, the visualization of that particular place. Okay, so let's have the next part. Mario, can you describe the personality of Tungkong Langit in the story?
Tungkong Langit was an industrious, loving, and kind God whose chief concern was how to impose order over the whole confused setup of things.
Okay, so in other words, Tungkong Langit is the overseer, the chief, the leader of that particular place. So this is now his picture, Tungkong Langit. How about Alonsina? Istorco.
Alonsina was a lazy, jealous, and selfish goddess whose only work was to sit by the window of their heavenly home and amuse herself with her pointless thoughts.
Okay, so can you imagine? Alonsina was just a lazy, jealous, and selfish goddess. Okay, so this is how his daily, day-to-day living looks like. And so, what happened to Tungkong Langit? Okay, welcome Nantes. What happened to Tungkong Langit? Francine.
Tungkong Langit lost his temper in this rage. He, he divested his wife of powers
Divested.
her
He
way.
divested. Again.
Div- Tungkong Langit lost his temper in this rage. He divested his wife of powers and drove her away.
Okay, so Tungkong Langit lost his temper. Period. In this rage, he divested his wife of powers and drove her away. What do you think so? Why?
Ma'am, sorry ma'am, karon pa ko ma'am. Karon pa ko nagpa-load.
Ah, it's okay, dear. We just we are halfway with the discussion of the story about uh, how the world was created. Okay, so let's move on to our discussion. So why did Tongkong Langit lost his temper? What do you think so?
Ma'am.
Yes?
I think because Alcina is lazy, jealous, and selfish goddess.
Okay, because of the attitude of his wife. Now his wife is very ambitious and very lazy. So there's for him, Alonsina is just wasting her time, doing nothing at home. Okay, while he was away doing some um, routinary tasks, being the leader of that particular place. So because of that, did Alonsina walk away or not? What do you think so?
She walked away
Okay. Why, Storko?
because Tongkong Langit was very angry.
Okay, so very angry, furious, as in very, very angry. So because of that, Alonsina went away And what happened to Tongpong Langit? Was
Felt
he
very lonely, ma'am.
okay? So since then, Tongpong Langit felt very lonely because he missed his wife. Although Alonsina is very lazy, but he missed her. So that made him very lonely because he's alone. And because of that, he kept on searching Alonsina. And because he can't find Alonsina, he cried a river. So what do you mean by that? That cry becomes the rain, and he made all the the means and ways on how to find Alonsina. So even if he cried heavily, Alonsina did not came back. So the next step, the next way that he did was to put jewels in a form of stars and moon during the night just to attract Alonsina to come back home. But then there was no Alonsina, uh, but then there's nowhere to find, or Alonsina um, did not came back anymore. So that is why, because of that, the jewels that he put during the night became the stars and the moon during the night. So that's the story about how the world was created. And then the the tears that he cried from his eyes becomes the ocean. So that made the the heaven and earth separates. That's according to the version, the story, the version from the Panay people, the Panayan people. So the picture that I showed you a while ago is the tribe of the Panay, the Panayan or Panay people. This one. So they they are the ethnic group from the Panay Island. So the story comes from them. That's their version of the story. So did you appreciate or did you enjoy the story that we
Yes,
discussed a
Yes,
while
ma'am.
ago?
ma'am.
Okay, so based from this story, I want you to develop your skill on how to compare and contrast characters of the story. So, who are the main characters of the story, by the way?
Alonsina and Tongkong.
Tongkong Langit and Talansina, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Alonsina ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, based on that story, you will be developing your skill in contrasting and comparing two characters using the Venn diagram. So here is it. So in your paper, you're going to draw two circles, overlapping circles, and in this on this part, we're going to write the distinct qualities of Tungkong Langit, and this part is also the distinct feature or characteristics of Aluncina. And in the middle, the similarities of traits and characteristics of Tungkong Langit and Alon Sina. So, is that clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So you're going to write that one in one whole sheet of paper and then screenshot your answer and send it to me through private message or through our group chat. Is that okay?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so the deadline of that would be on Monday. Would that be okay to you? Monday? So
Yes,
that
Yes,
I
Yes,
ma'am.
can
ma'am.
ma'am.
I can give your output to your new subject teacher. Is that clear?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, so I will
Yes,
give
ma'am.
the soft copy, the soft handout of this story through our GC so that you can review, you can read again the story and be able to identify the similarities and differences of the main characters in the story. All right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
No
Yes,
more
ma'am.
questions, clarifications?
No, ma'am.
None, ma'am.
Okay, so that's all for this afternoon and enjoy your weekend.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Bye,
Goodbye.
ma'am.
God bless you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, likewise.